In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Microsoft Teams by date. This guide will take about 5 minutes, and by the end you'll be navigating your Microsoft Teams searches like a pro. To kick things off, you'll need to access Microsoft Teams. Open up your favorite web browser and head to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign In and use your Microsoft account to log in. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple for different purposes. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to utilize the search bar. You can find the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Teams interface. It's your gateway to finding any conversation, message, or file within Teams. Now, this is where the magic happens. In the search bar, start by typing in the keyword related to what you're searching for. This could be a topic, a project name, or even a person's name if you're looking for specific conversations. After you've entered your keyword, your next action is to narrow down your search results by date. You might notice, once you've typed your keyword and the results have started to populate, an option to sort your search results by date. Click on Date to activate this sorting feature. It will organize your search results, making it easier for you to navigate through them chronologically. The final step is perhaps the most satisfying. After you've clicked on Date to sort your results, go ahead and click on the specific date you're interested in exploring. This action will filter your search results to show only the conversations, files, or mentions from that selected date. It's a powerful tool for pinpointing exact messages or files from a specific day without the need to manually scroll through endless conversations. And there you have it. You've now learned how to efficiently search Microsoft Teams by date. Remember, this feature is particularly useful for those times when you're trying to track down specific information from past conversations, or when you're looking to review the timeline of a project. It's a simple yet effective tool to enhance your navigational efficiency within Microsoft Teams. I hope this video has been helpful and has equipped you with the knowledge to better manage and review your Microsoft Teams content. Whether you're a project manager, a student, or just someone looking to keep their chats organized, knowing how to search by date can significantly simplify finding what you need when you need it. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Stay organized and see you in the next video.